Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this trending 3D minifigure effects AI photos using Gemini. So if you want to join the trend by creating your own versions of 3D minifigure, you can just follow the steps. What you need to do first is just open Gemini, whether it's on your mobile or on your computer like this, and then you can just use this prompt. So this is the prompt that I use the nano banana model to create a 1/7 scale commercialized figure. And if you have more than one characters, you need to use this figure all the characters in the illustration in realistic style and environment. So just click on the plus button now, click on upload files, and then choose the photo that you want to turn into a mini figure. And after that, after the photo is uploaded, you can just tap on this to submit the prompt, and here you can just wait a few seconds until the results came out. Okay, so this will be the result. Let's just wait again. Sorry. Okay, so this is it. As you guys can see here, this is the image based on a prompt. So if you want to have your own minifigure like this, you can just follow the prompt and open the Gemini. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.